Hi, this is Rob. Some of the features of the Panasonic TGD610B cordless phone system. The main feature of this phone is that you can connect another 5 handsets, giving you a total of 6 cordless phones in different parts of your home or office. If you want to buy additional handsets, get the TGD610B. B stands for black. If you buy additional handsets, you need to register those handsets to your base unit. The handsets that came with your phone system are already pre-registered with the base unit. See the owner's manual on how to register a new handset to the base unit. Since this is a cordless phone system, each handset requires 2 AAA batteries. Only use rechargeable AAA nickel metal hydride batteries, usually included with the purchase of this phone system. The base unit needs to be plugged into the wall socket using the included Panasonic AC adapter PNL-V226. And each handset comes with a stand that also needs to be plugged into an electrical outlet, because those stands will recharge the handset batteries while the handset is in the stand. This phone system does not have its own answering machine. You must use the voicemail system from your phone service provider. Your phone service provider sends special tones called voicemail tones to your phone number to let you know that you have a new voicemail message. You will usually hear the voicemail tone after you pick up the handset and press the green talk button on the handset, or after you finish a call and before you press the end call button. In order to listen to your voicemail messages, you must dial your phone service provider's voicemail access number. However, you can store that voicemail access number with the voicemail password into this phone system, and with the press of a button, have your handset access the number and call it. This phone does handle caller ID, but you must subscribe to caller ID with your phone service provider. When an outside call is being received, the caller ID information is displayed on the handset LCD. Caller information for the last 50 callers is logged in the caller list from the most recent call to the oldest call. If the phone system cannot receive the caller information, then the following is displayed on the handset LCD. Out of area, if the caller dials from an area which does not provide a caller ID service. Private caller, if the caller does not send caller ID information. Long distance, if the caller is calling from out of your area code. A phone book feature. You can add 100 names with their phone numbers to the phone system's internal phone book. And you can also assign these names to different groups. For example, family group, friends group, and work group. Then assign each of these groups to a different ringer tone. This is called ringer ID, and you need to subscribe to your phone company's caller ID service to have this feature work. Speed dial feature. You can assign one phone number to each of the dial keys, 1 through 9. Thus, you can have 9 speed dial numbers. You can enter a new number or select a number from the phone system's internal phone book. The Redial List feature. Make a phone call using the Redial List. The last 5 numbers dialed are stored in the Redial List. To see that list, press the Redial button. Then, the last 5 numbers dialed will show in the LCD display. Use the up or down arrow to highlight the number you want to redial. Then, to call that number, press the green talk button. A call block feature. You can add outside numbers to the call block list. Once a phone number has been added to the call block list, the phone will block calls from that phone number in the future. Your phone will ring once, and the phone system will determine if that caller is on the call block list and then block the call. If you have a lot of numbers on the call block list, then you can set the phone system not to sound the first ring of all callers, and this way the call block feature can work without you hearing the first ring. There is also a call block button on the handset. If an incoming call is ringing, you can block that call and add it to the call block list by pressing the call block button. You can also press the call block button during a conversation, and that will hang up the call and place that number on the call block list. A speakerphone feature. Each handset can be used as a speakerphone by pressing the speakerphone button. An Intercom System feature. If you have more than one handset, you can use these handsets as an intercom system in your house. Intercom calls can be made between handsets. You can give each handset a unique name. For example, kitchen, living room, master bedroom, boys' room, etc. This helps in paging a specific handset in the intercom system. When paging handsets, the paged handset will beep for 1 minute. You can have a different ringer tone and ringer volume for intercom calls. If you receive an outside call while talking on the intercom, an interrupt tone alerts you to an incoming call. Then you can disconnect from the intercom and answer the call. A silent mode feature allows you to select a period of time during which the handset will not ring for outside calls. For example, if you do not want to be disturbed during dinner, set the time frame in the phone system that you do not want the phone to ring. Those calls will go to voicemail. You can turn on or off silent mode for each handset. You can also select which incoming phone numbers can override the silent mode so that you can still receive important phone calls. Alarm feature. A total of 3 separate alarm times can be programmed for each handset. You can set an alarm to go off daily, weekly, or a one-time only alarm. You can also set a different alarm tone. Set an alarm tone that is different from the ringtone. These alarms also have a snooze function. A baby monitor feature. This feature allows you to listen in on a room where another handset is located, allowing you to easily monitor from different areas of your house or even while you are away from your house. The way this works is that the baby's handset, placed in the baby's room, listens for sound. When that handset detects sound, it will call your handset automatically, or you can set it to call your cell phone number if you are out of the house. You can also set the sound detection sensitivity of the baby's handset. The baby's handset never rings while it is in baby monitoring mode. The baby's handset's battery consumption is faster than usual in baby monitoring mode. Thus, you should leave that handset in the charger. A chain dial feature. Chain dial allows you to dial numbers in the internal phone book while you are on a call. This feature is useful to dial a calling card access number or bank account PIN that you have stored in the internal phone book without having to dial it manually. Call share feature. Share a call with another handset in your house so that 2 or more people in your house can talk to the same caller at the same time. Or place that call on hold and transfer that call to another handset. Locating a misplaced handset. You can locate a misplaced handset by pressing the locate button here. All registered handsets will beep for 1 minute. After you find the misplaced handset, press the locate button again to stop the handsets from beeping. Okay, that is it.